I really appreciate your help.
Weston Bab,
Yes.
you won. You come back here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You won a lot of money today.
Yes. Clean the lens.
Would you believe that's not the only person's mouth this camera's been in? You won a lot of money this morning. How do you feel about that?
Awesome.
So you're buying the dinner today, right?
No. Because everything is under your name.
You're sleeping with them tonight.
Aww. I'm being punished.
I'm gonna bring back the Prince dancers. Oh wait, what? And they're not for you.
Unless you win another one, right?
Unless if I win another one.
Yeah.
Who knows?
I gotta cut out that Prince part.
Eh.
By the way, we're at the Wynn right now. Very beautiful hotel. Oh, 1 second. I hate vlogging. Like, why do I do this? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna leave that in and just like muffle it and be like, people will be like, what? Did he just say he hates this? Yes.
And then comments would be like, but your videos is about vlogging.
It's not about vlog. It's not about vlogging.
About, like,
it's vlogging.
vlogging.
Where did they go? Which way did they go?
They're over there.
Okay. Look at the floor.
Pow.
Alright guys, we are on the, what is this called?
High roller.
High roller at the link. It's moving very slowly and I'm very scared right now. And I think we've all made a mistake. So here's the view. Pretty good, I guess. Alright guys, we got pizza vending machine right here. So it's taking about another minute or so. You can see it's heating right here.
Hey!
Hey!
Pizza here! Luigi Primo. He's gonna make you the best pizza that you ever had in your life.
Easy on me.
This man's got more hair on his mustache than he does his balls.
You should have seen his chest. Not that I have. Show it up. Open it up. Come on.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
You should show. What's up, guys? It's Lucas. I'm lying in bed right now because I'm super tired. We just tried the Carlo's Bakery pizza from the vending machine, and literally some of the best pizza I've ever had. I definitely want to try the other flavors, but I also definitely don't want to spend $20 on pizza, 2 more slices of pizza. The only thing that I don't think I would get out of there, sorry I'm moving, I'm trying to take my socks off and stuff. The only thing I don't think I would get out of there is the Italian pizza. It just looks like it has way too much, and I don't think it would get cooked properly. But they did put a new special pizza in there, which is chicken parm pizza, and it has pesto on it. So that might be something that we try maybe tomorrow or before we leave. So look forward to that. High roller was scary. I discovered I'm afraid of heights today. Oh, we also went to the Wynn Buffet, which was super good. Forgot about that. We went to the Wynn Buffet, and I had so much good food. I had ice cream for the first time in a year, probably. Maybe less than a year, but almost a year. And it was amazing. So, yeah. Song of the day today is... Viva Las Vegas by Elvis Presley. I'll see you guys tomorrow as always. Be excellent to each other. Peace.